How to cancel an order on Shopee. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can cancel an order on Shopee. For this, you want to open the Shopee app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are here, you want to tap on the to ship option over here. Once you tap on this option, you're going to find your current orders from here. Remember that if your order hasn't been shipped yet, you can easily cancel it through the app or website. So what you want to do next is choose the order you wish to cancel. You will see a cancel order option. Tap on that. Now select a reason for canceling your order, such as changed my mind or ordered the wrong item. Now you want to click on the confirm option to finalize the cancellation. Your order will be then cancelled and the payment will be refunded according to Shopee's refund process. Now, once the seller has shipped the order, you can no longer cancel the order directly through the app. In that case, you can contact the customer service. Now you can find the customer service option on the app itself. You can tap on the chat with Shopee option over here. Now you can directly contact the customer support and cancel your order. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.